I just need $1. Does anyone need to have $1?
No.
Y'all suck. Oh, my money fell off. Thank you, stranger.
Weirdo.
Hello? Jasmine? Hi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you doing anything?
Yeah, I was in the middle of a very important conversation.
Was it your boyfriend?
No, it wasn't my boyfriend. It was my cousin. She lives in a deserted island and I have to wave to the rock hits the wave. Is this not funny to you?
Oh. Doesn't that look similar?
No, literally have this big rock and then the wave has to hit it in order for them to get the signal.
Oh. Anyway, do you have $1? I just need $1 and I have this 5.
I only have this $5.
That's all I need.
You have a 5. Don't. You know what? Never mind. Thank you. Sucker.
Sucker. She doesn't know I came out in the Genius magazine. Guess for
I don't
Genius.
know you.
I came out in Guess magazine. Look, Genius magazine. The guy told me in order to win the scratchers, I have to use a 1. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? See? We look alike. You have a see? Look.
I don't know you. I don't know you. What?
$1. It's $1. I'm actually a smart guy, but I tricked her because I was dumb. $1.
Yes, punk. Is home.
I'll kill you.
What? You're supposed to say bad words, you guys.
You're gonna give this to my parents.
Oh, later. I thought it was mineral.
It didn't help me as a mineral at
$1.
all.
I found $1.
Hey, it's my dollar, punk. My dollar. Give me my dollar. Oh, I have another one. Sucker. You can get this.
I thought you needed $1. You asked that poor lady for $1.
Poor? More like ugly lady.
Excuse me? We have to pay for that phone call now.
Hey,
Because
isn't that
that was an international call.
Hey, isn't that Jocelyn over there?
No, my name is Natasha.
Natasha, you're
Natasha Liverson from the Liver World.
Mom, if you're watching this, I am in real danger. I am in real danger, Mom. I came out in Genius Monthly. See?
That's a girl. That's a girl. Unless you had some.
Anywho, aren't you gonna buy a lottery ticket?
Oh yeah, I tricked you for the $5.
Yeah. But I just stole your money.
You're so dumb. Can't you think? You can exchange the $5 for a
Actually-
dollar bill.
And I'm stealing this magazine.
Hey, I was reading that. I was barely in chapter 6. And
Oh, yeah.
Magazine.
Chapter 6.
What a lie! I didn't even read it.
Chapter 6.
Qué mentira. Oh, like I was saying, I didn't really come out in Genius Monthly. I came out in The Monthly. Where's the thing?
I can tell.
Oh, I lost it. I just acted tomorrow, so you know.
And what cologne are you wearing?
You know, because
It's called
Smelly muffly.
I smell good now. I smell like pear. But like I was saying, you're not
Paris.
die. Apathy.
You're welcome.